Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to install Flutter on a Raspberry Pi 4. You need at least 2 gig of RAM. You're going to need the 64-bit desktop loaded and running. And it's much better if we do this with a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and a high-speed internet connection. The first thing we're going to do is just update everything. Make sure we have the latest and greatest. And then we'll use upgrade to make sure that we installed it. I just do this to make sure we have a nice clean environment. Now we're going to install Snap. Type it in just like you see. Now Snap is where the Flutter resides, but we've got to get all the Snap pieces installed first. One thing in this video, I'm going to put the chapters in the description. It's a slow little embedded system, so some of these are going to take a long time. And you can look at the video, look at the description in the description field and see where the chapters are. And skip ahead. Okay, so now we're going to install the core. And I'll put in the description the link to where all this is. But if you just type in what I'm doing, you will have success as of the time that this video was created. Like I said earlier, I will put the chapters in here so you can skip ahead so you don't watch the screen. One of the reasons that I'm letting you see the screen is so you don't think the system is locked up, because some of these take a long time. Now I'm going to show you that we have core, the latest version. So Snap's installed. Now we're going to install Flutter. Type it in exactly as you see it. Now this is going to take about 12 minutes. And the machine may look like it's hung up on probably what it's going to say get dependencies. But it's not. So don't worry. Give it time. It's not a blazing fast computer. So I'm going to let you skip ahead to about 11-12 minutes, and then you can watch it, and then I will jump back in. Now we're just about done. There you go. After about 11 minutes or so, it is wrapping it up. Now we're going to check. Here, just a second. I'm going to clear this. Bear with me. Now we're going to type in Flutter Doctor -v. That -v is very important because it gives us a log. It's called verbose, so you can see what's happening. It's still got stuff to download. Flutter Doctor, you'll use that many times. Flutter Clean and Flutter Doctor in Flutter Pub Get, and we'll get more into that into the next videos. Right now it's downloading some of the additional tools. You'll see Linux ARM64, and that's what the Raspberry Pi operating system is Linux ARM64. Now it's showing you some errors, but those you cannot load Android on an ARM64, and you cannot load Chrome. So those are not necessary because we're not doing Android, we're doing Linux. So these errors can be ignored. You want to see that top one. Flutter channel is okay, and the Linux toolchain is okay. And for now, that's what we're after. We're going to load VS Code in another video. Everything is a-okay. We know our tool chain's fine, so we're going to type in Flutter version again. Everything should have been downloaded, and as of the time of this video, these will be the versions. Again, watch your updates, watch your release notes, make sure nothing is broken. Stay tuned for the next videos, and please subscribe and click on the alert. More is coming. Stay tuned.